Hello everyone, welcome to LCM and HCF Exercise Part 9. In this exercise, we are going to do questions that how to find the LCM of two or more numbers, how to find the HCF of two or more numbers, then what is the relationship between LCM and HCF, and miscellaneous questions. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. These are the formulas which we are going to use while solving the question. That product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Least number when divided by A, B, C, D leaves remainder X, Y, Z and W, so that the difference of AX, BY, CZ and DW is same. In that case, the least number is equal to LCM of ABCD minus difference. And the least number when divided by ABCD leaves remainder R, then number is LCM of ABCD plus the remainder R. Next formula is HCF of fractions is equal to the HCF of numerator upon LCM of denominators. Then LCM of fractions, that is equal to LCM of numerator upon HCF of denominator. These are the formulas. The product of two numbers is 3276 and LCM is 63. Then find their HCF. And options are 54, 51, 53 and 52. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, as per formula 1.1, first number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. So, LCM and HCF. LCM was 63, HCF we have to find. Product was given to 3276. So 3276 equal to 63 into HCF. So HCF becomes 3276 upon 63. That is 52. Option number D is the correct answer. Find the HCF and LCM of 16 and 24. And options are option A 8, 42, option B 4 and 12, option C 2 and 24, and option D 4 and 48. These are the options. Now, on doing the factorization, the factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is a prime number. And factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, where 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. Then, if we have to find the HCF, we are going to choose a number which is present in factors of 16 and 24. And from there also, we are going to choose the least power of that number. So 2 cube, that was the factor of 24, 2 into 2 into 2, is the HCF 8. And for LCM, we are going to do the product of every number present in the factors of 16 and 24 while we take the maximum power. So 2 raised to power 4 was the factor of 16. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 was present in 24 into 3. So 48 is the LCM. So 8 and 48, option number A is the correct answer. The ratio of two numbers is 21 ratio 29 and HCF is 8. Then their LCM is, and options are 4872, 168, option C 232 and option number D 4782. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, ratio was 21 ratio 29. So let the numbers are 21x and 29x. It was given that HCF is 8. So if HCF is 8, then first number becomes 21 into 8, that is 168. And second number becomes 29 into 8, that is 232. So we have got our numbers and we know the HCF also. Now we have to find the LCM. So finding the LCM by factoration method. Numbers were 168 and 232. So the factors of 168 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And factors of 232 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 29. So LCM becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 29. Maximum power of every number present in the factors. That is equal to 4872. Option number A is the correct answer. Next is the LCM of three numbers is 4752 and HCF is 6. If two numbers are 48 and 68, then find the third number. Options are 54, option B 56, option C 58, and option D 52. These are the options. Now, let the third number is X. And according to the question, because we know that HCF was 6, already mentioned in the question, then the number in options which are divisible by 6 will be the third number. Because if HCF is 6, and HCF means the maximum number which can divide all the given numbers. So out of the 4 options that were given to us, the number which is divisible by 6 will be the third number. So the option 54, option number A, was divisible only. Apart from option number A, B, C, and D were not divisible. That means option number A, 54, is the third number, and A is the correct option. If the product of two numbers is 3276 and their LCM is 63, then find their HCF. And options are option A 32, option B 76, option C 52, and option D 53. These are the options. Now, from formula 1.1, we know that the product of numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So from this formula, HCF is equal to product upon LCM. Product of numbers was given in the question, that is 3276, and LCM is given 63. So 3276 upon 63 is the HCF, and 3276 upon 63 is 52. That means option number C, 52, is the correct answer. The ratio of two numbers is 5:7, and their HCF is 133. Then what is their LCM? Options are option A 1155, option B 165, option C 231, and option number D 1550. These are the options. Now, we are going to use formula 1.1 to solve this question. Here the HCF was given, that is 33, and the ratio of numbers were also given, 5:7. So if the ratio of numbers is given, then we can find out the numbers also. So first number is 5 into 33, that is 165. And second numbers become 7 into 33, that is 231. Now, formula 1.1 says that LCM into HCF equal to product of numbers. So LCM is equal to product of numbers, that is 165 into 231 upon HCF, that is 33. On simplification, we get 1155. So that is the LCM. Option number A is the correct answer. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their LCM is 72. If one of them is 24, then find the other number. Option A 48, option B 60, option C 36, and option D 72. These are the options, and I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution for you. Now, as per formula 1.1, product of LCM and HCF, LCM into HCF, is equal to product of numbers. That is first number into second number. LCM was 72 and HCF was 12. So 72 into 12 is equal to, one of the number was 24. So 24 into second number. From here, second number becomes 72 into 12 upon 24. That is 36 is the second number. So option number C is the correct answer. The ratio of two numbers is 14:9 and their HCF is 15. What is the LCM of these numbers? And options are 1890, 2520, 1260, and option number D is 630. These are the options. Now, ratio was given 14:9. So numbers can be 14x and 9x. So let the numbers are 14x and 9x. HCF was given already in the question, that is 15. HCF equal to 15. So if HCF is 15, then first number is 14 into 15. 14 into 15 is 210. And second number is 9 into 15, 135. So we have got the two numbers. Now according to formula 1.1, product of numbers, that is first number into second number, should be equal to product of LCM and HCF. LCM into HCF. HCF was given 15 in the question. We have to find the LCM. First number is 210 and second number is 135. So LCM into 15 is equal to 210 into 135. LCM is equal to 210 into 135 upon 15. On simplification, we get 1890 as the answer. So LCM is 1890. Option number A is the correct option. The product of two numbers is 30. If one of them is 1.25, then what is the other number? The options are option A 18, option B 24, option C 20, and option D 21. These are the options. So let the other number is x, but according to the question, product of number is 30. Other number is 1.25. So 1.25 into x should be equal to product, that is 30. From here, the value of x is 30 upon 1.25. When you remove point from here, you get two zeros in the numerator. So 3000 upon 125, that is 24. So the other number is 24. Option number B is the correct answer. Find the ratio of the LCM and HCF of the numbers 99 and 15. Option A 165:1. Option B 3:55. Option C 165:3. And option D 1:165. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution for you. So LCM of 99 and 15, because the numbers were 99 and 15. So first of all, we will find the LCM. So from here, we are going to use the long division method to find the LCM. We start by dividing from the least number 3, again by 3, again by 5, and again by 11 until we get 1 and 1 in the end. LCM is product of all these numbers, 3 into 3 into 5 into 11, that is 495. So we have got the LCM 495 of 99 and 15. Now we have to find the HCF. For HCF, the factors of 99 are 3 into 3 into 11, and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. As we can see that 3 is the only number which is present in the factors of 99 and 15. And we have to choose the least power, that is 3 raised to power 1. So HCF is 3. Now we have got the LCM and HCF both. So to find the ratio of LCM and HCF, we can write 495 as the LCM and 3 is the HCF. After simplification, it is 165:1. So option number A, 165:1 is the correct answer. Two numbers are in ratio 4:5. Their LCM is 180. Find their sum. Options are option A 70, option B 90, option C 72, and option D 81. These are the options. Now, numbers were in ratio 4:5. So we can assume the numbers to be 4x and 5x. The ratio of 4x and 5x in terms of x is 20x. But according to the question, the LCM is 180. That means 20x should be equal to 180. So from here, value of x is 180 upon 20, that is 9. So if value of x is known to us, then we can also get to know the numbers. 4x, that is 4 into 9, 36. And 5x, 9 to 5, 45. So we have got the numbers 36 and 45. But we have to find the sum of their numbers. So 36 plus 45 is the required sum, that is 81. So option number D, 81 is the correct answer. Which number is a factor of all numbers? And options are option A 2, option B 1, and option C -1, and option D 0. These are the options. And you have 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Example, you can see when you write down the factors of 12, you can write 1 into 2 into 2 into 3, because 3 into 2 is 6 into 2 is 12. So 1 is already present in the factors. Similarly, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. And if you will multiply it by 1, then it is not going to affect the factor. So 1 is the such number which is factor of all the numbers. That means option number B, 1 is the correct answer. Two numbers are in ratio 4:5 and their LCM is 100. Find their difference. Option A 20, option B 25, option C 5, and option D 10. These are the options. So if the ratio of numbers is given 4:5, so we can assume the numbers to be 4x and 5x. But according to the question, LCM was 100. So the LCM of 4x and 5x in terms of x is 20x. So if in terms of x, LCM is 20x and in actual LCM is 100, therefore we can write 20x is equal to 100. So the value of x is known to us, 100 upon 20, that is 5. So if value of x is 5 and we have to find the difference. Numbers were 4x and 5x. Difference of 4x and 5x is x, and the value of x is already known to us, that is 5. So the required difference of numbers is 5. Option number C is the correct answer. If two numbers whose HCF is 9 are in ratio 5:7, then find their difference. And options are option A 12, option B 18, option C 8, and option D 24. These are the options. Now, let the numbers are 5x and 7x because the ratio of number was given to us. HCF of 5x and 7x is x because x is the only number which can divide 5x and 7x. But in the question, the HCF is 9. That means this x is equal to 9. So if x is 9, then the difference is 7x minus 5x, that is 2x, and x is 9. So 2 into x, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. So the difference of the numbers is 18. Option number B is the correct answer. The ratio of two numbers is 5:6 and their LCM is 150. Find their sum. Option A 50, option B 55, option C 60, and option D 54. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution for you. Now, ratio of numbers was given to us 5:6. So let the numbers are 5x and 6x. But the ratio LCM of 5x and 6x in terms of x is 30x. 6 5s are 30 x. LCM was given in the question is 150. That means 30x should be equal to 150. So the value of x is 150 upon 30, that is 5. Now we have found the value of x. So the numbers are 5 into 5, 25, and 6 into 5, 30. but we have to find the sum. So the required sum is 25 plus 30, that is 55. Option number B, 55 is the correct answer. Next question. The LCM of two numbers is 120 and the sum of their squares is 289. Then sum of these numbers is option A 23, option B 28, option C 32, and option D 26. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. So let us suppose the numbers are A and B. It was given that sum of their squares is 289. That means A square plus B square is equal to 289. LCM was 120. So A and B were numbers. Then LCM is 120. That means A into B is 120. So from these two equations, A square plus B square equal to 289 and AB equal to 120, we can conclude that A is 15 and B is 8. Because 15 into 8, AB is 120. 15 square is 225 and 8 square is 64. 225 plus 64 is 289. So the values of A and B are 15 and 8 respectively. We have to find the sum of these numbers. So sum of these numbers, that is A plus B, is equal to 15 plus 8, that is 23. That means option number A, 23, is the correct answer. So these were the questions. I hope you have understood the questions very well. Thank you very much for joining the session.